If you're looking to build an affordable gaming computer, let me show you what parts you need. For the CPU, I recommend the Ryzen 5 5600 6-core 12 threads for just $145. For multitasking, I recommend 16 gigs of RAM by Teamgroup at a price of $31. To store your documents and games, I recommend a 1TB NVMe by Crucial at a price of $40. For the motherboard, I recommend the MSI Pro Series at a price of $75. Then to power everything, I recommend a 600-watt power supply by Thermaltake at a price of $45. To host all the components, I recommend the following case: the Thermaltake Versa H18 at a price of $50. The graphics card that I recommend will be the RX 6700 by FSX at a price of $270. If you want to keep yourself updated on gaming computer parts, just follow me.